We got this bird whistle for my son for his birthday, but first I want you to just hear the birds that are outside right now. And we have a bird feeder, and he started using this, and I swear they come to this bird feeder window all the time now. But this is the sound, and it's just a twist, so you don't have to blow in it, but it sounds so similar, and it's such an easy bird whistle to use. I would definitely recommend. This has been so much fun. You can tighten it at the bottom here with a Phillips head screwdriver, but amazing.